Hello students, in this section we are going to see different terms used in networking. Okay, so elementary terminology of networks or network terminology. Okay, so what are the technical terms that comes up while we are using networking or while we are studying about networks? Okay, so that we are going to see today. Okay, so channel, bandwidth, speed, topology, IP, nodes, server, etc. These are the things usually come up when we are learning about networking. Okay, so we are going to see each one in detail. So channel, what's a channel? A channel is the transmission medium or the media which through which we transmit our signal. So that is what called a channel. We have already learned about twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, radio signals, microwave, satellite link, etc. These are all called the channel for communication. Okay, so that's what a channel is, the medium which is used for communication or transferring information or data. That is what called a channel. Next we are going to see what a server is. Okay, so a computer that facilitates the sharing of data and software or hardware resources, that is called a server. Okay, so a computer that provides the data, software, hardware resources, etc. to be shared, that is called a server. Then nodes. Nodes refers to the computers that are attached to a network. All the computers that are connected to a network is termed as nodes. Okay, so nodes are seeking resources, servers are providing resources. Then network interface unit is there, MAC address, etc. is there. So a network interface unit is an interpreter that helps in establishing a communication between server and the client. Okay, then there is speed, data transfer speed is there, bandwidth is there, then topology is there. Topology is the graphical method or arrangement of the computers in a network. There are different topologies are there, bus topology, mesh topology, star topology. Okay, in the form of in which form the computers are connected to each other, that is described by topology. Then there is IP address is there. So IP address, you already know what an IP address is. Every computer has a unique address or unique address which is used to uniquely identify that particular computer or a device, that is called an IP address. Then first we are going to see about bandwidth and speed. Okay, so bandwidth and speed, that's what we are going to see today. Okay, so what is a bandwidth or what is data transfer speed? Okay, data transfer rates that can be supported by a network is called its bandwidth. It is measured in bits per second or in hertz. Okay, you have already learned in physics classes that what is hertz. Okay, the frequency is measured in hertz. Okay, so the signal rate is measured in hertz and or the data transfer speed, how much data, how many bits per second is transferred during a data transfer, that is measured by the bandwidth. Okay, so first we are going to see bandwidth in terms of hertz or frequency. Okay, so what is 1 hertz? Frequency is 1 cycle per second. Okay, so hertz is the basic unit of frequency. Okay, so it is 1 cycle per second. When it is measured in hertz, it is 1 cycle per second. Then next one is kilohertz. Thousands of cycles occur per second. Per second, thousands cycles are transferred. Okay, so that is kilohertz. Then megahertz, millions of cycles occur per second. In a second, a million cycle of signals are transferred. Then gigahertz, again to gigahertz, which is billions of cycle occur per second, and then terahertz, which is trillions of cycle occur per second. Okay, hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, gigahertz, and terahertz. Okay, number of cycles occur per second. That is the basic criteria that separates these units. Okay, a kilohertz has 1000 cycle passing through 1 second, and then megahertz million cycles are transferring. Then in gigahertz billions of cycles are transferring, and in terahertz trillions of cycle occur per second. Okay, so that is data transfer rate or bandwidth in terms of frequency. Okay, next we are going to see data transfer rate or bandwidth in the basis of transfer rate or how many bits are transferred in per second. Okay, so first bps, bits per second. Okay, so that is the basic form, bits per second, how many bits are transferred in a second. Then kbps, 1 kilobit per second, or it is equal to 1000 bits per second. Okay, so in a kilobits per second, then kbps means 1000 bits are transferred in a second. The next one is mbps, which is megabit per second, equals to 1000 kbps in or 1 million bps or 1 million bits per second. Okay, so you know the difference in the numbers. Then 1 gigabit per second equals to 1000 mbps or 1 million kbps. Okay, so numbers are added up again. Then finally terabits per second, 1 terabit per second equals to 1000 gbps or 1 million mbps. Okay, so that is the speed of data transfer, how many bits of information are transferred in a single second, that is based on data transfer rate. Okay, so these are there. And then if you want to simply identify that, let me explain with a simple example. You are all familiar with the storage area, mb, gb, tb, etc. right there. Okay, so 1 kb means 1024 bits. Okay, it can store 1024. 1 mb means 1024 kb, and then 1 gb means 1024 mb. Same as here, based on the thousands. Okay, so 1 kb means 1000 bits per second, 1 mbps means 1000 kbps per second, and 1 gbps means 1000 mbps per second, and 1 tbps means 1000 gbps per second. So this is bandwidth and transfer rate. Hope you understand this topic very good, and then we will see on the next class with a different topic.